Good morning, student. Today I will start chapter number 7, fraction. Do you know about fraction? Fraction? A fraction is a number representing part of a whole. It is the part of a whole. And the whole may be a single object or a group of objects. For example, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 5, 7 upon 11. These are some examples of the fraction. In a fraction, 2 upon 3. Here numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. Now, in 3 upon 5, here numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. So, these are the some examples of the fraction. Now, I will start exercise 7.1. I will start exercise 7.1, question number first. Question number first. Find the fraction representing the shaded portion. Write the fractions representing the shaded portion. Now first part is here we observe that there are 4 parts and in which 2 parts are shaded. So fraction is 2 upon fraction equal to 2 upon 4. And in second part we observe that there are 9 parts and in which 8 parts are colored. 8 parts are colored, then fraction equal to 8 upon 9. It is clear? And now in third part, fraction equal to, there are how many parts? There are 8 parts and in which 4 parts are shaded. So fraction equal to 4 upon 8. And now fourth part, there are 4 parts in the given figure and 1 part is colored. So fraction is 1 upon 4. Now in fifth part, there are 7 parts. There are 7 parts in which 3 parts are colored. Fraction equal to, there are 7 parts in which 3 parts are colored, then fraction equal to 3 upon 7. So these are the some parts of the question number first. Now I will start question number second. Question number second, and in this question we have colored the parts. In second question, color the part according to the given fraction. Now first part is a circle is given in which these parts are given. Now first part is fraction is given 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6, it means there are 6 parts in the figure and we have to color the one part. So one part is colored. Therefore, it represents the fraction 1 upon 6 because there are 6 parts in which one part is shaded. So fraction is 1 upon 6. Now second part is the figure is given in which color the part in which 1 upon 4. Fraction is 1 upon 4. There are 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now numerator is 1 and denominator is 4. There are 4 parts and we have represent 1 upon 4. So one part is colored. We will color the one part. So this represents the 1 upon 4. Now third part is this figure is given 1, 2, 3. There are 3 parts in the figure and fraction is given 1 upon 3. So we have color only one part. So we have color only one part. Now we have color one part. So fraction represent 1 upon 3. Question number 3 is same of the question number 2. So you can solve the question number 3. Now I will start question number 4. Question number 4 is what fraction of a day? What fraction of a day is 8 hours? We have to find the fraction of 8 hours in a day. So we know that 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours, and we have to find the fraction of 8 hours. We have to find the fraction of 8 hours. 8 hours. So now fraction equal to 8 hours divided by 24 hours. 8 बन जाए 8 3 जा 24. So fraction is 1 upon 3. Fraction is 1 upon 3. It is clear all of you? Same as question number 5. Question number 5 is what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Now question number 5 is what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes, and we have to find the fraction. We have to find the fraction of 40 minutes. So now fraction equal to 40 upon 60. 40 minutes upon 60 minutes. So fraction equal to 2 to the 4 and 2 3 the 6. Now fraction is 2 upon 3. Now Question number 6. Question number 6 is, now question number 6 B part. What part of the sandwich will each boy receive? So each boy receive 1/3 parts of a sandwich. 1/3 parts of a sandwich. Now, question number 7 is, Kanchan dyes a dress. She had to dye 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dress has she finished? She has dyed dresses. She had dyed dresses equal to 30, and she has so far finished 20 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses, and we have to find the fraction of dresses, she has finished equal to 20/30. 20/30. So fraction is 2/3. So fraction is 2/3. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is, write the natural number from 2 to 20, 12. What fraction of them are prime number? First of all, we will write the natural number from 2 to 12. Write the natural numbers from 1 to 12, 2 to 12, from 2 to 12. So these natural numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These are the natural numbers from 2 to 12. And we have to find the fraction. We have to find the fraction of the prime numbers. So how many prime numbers between them? So there are prime numbers equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 prime numbers. There are 5 prime numbers, and we have to find the fraction of what fraction of them are prime numbers. So fraction equal to how many prime numbers? 5. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 numbers. And fraction equal to 5/11. It is clear, all of you? Now, question number 9. Question number 9 natural numbers from 102 to 113. 102 to 113. We have to write the natural numbers. So natural numbers are 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, and 110, 111, and 112, and last 113. So total numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are total number are 12. It is clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 12. And we have to find the prime numbers between the given numbers. So prime numbers are 103 and 107 and 109 and 130. These are the prime numbers. Prime number are 103, 107, 109, 130. So prime numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 prime numbers. So fraction equal to 4 upon 5. Now 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Fraction equal to 1 upon 3. Question number 10. Question number 10. What fraction of this circle have 10th in them? What fraction of this circle have 10th in them? We have to find a fraction. So you can find the fraction. Now question number 11. Christian received the CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CD and received 5 other as gift. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gift? Now question number 11 is Christian received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CD and 5 other as gift. She bought CDs equal to 3 and she received gift and she received the gift equal to 5. She received the gifts equal to 5. Now, what fraction of our total CDs? Total CD equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Now, what fraction of the total CD is 3? Y. Fraction, we have to find the fraction. She got CD is 3 and total CD is 8. So fraction equal to fraction of this equal to 3 upon 8. So fraction is C is received. C is received the gift equal to how many gifts received? There are 5 gifts. So fraction equal to 5 upon 8. Now these are some answers. 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. Now this exercise has been completed. So question number exercise 7.2. Before exercise 7.2 start, we will take some points. Fraction on the number line, and these are the proper, improper and mixed fraction. These points are given, and some simplest form of the fraction. These are some fractions are given. So first of all, we will take the proper fraction. Proper fraction. Do you know about proper fraction? In the proper fraction, denominator is greater than the numerator. In a proper fraction, denominator is greater than numerator. So some examples. For example, are 3 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 5 upon 8. These are some examples. Here we observe that numerator are less than the denominator, or denominator is greater than the numerator. So these are the some examples of the proper fraction. Now, improper fraction. Improper fractions. In these fraction, denominators. In these fractions, denominator are less than the numerator. It is clear? So some examples of the improper fraction. 5 upon 3, 7 upon 5, 11 upon 7. These are some examples of the improper fraction. Here we observe that numerator are greater than the denominator. So these are the some examples of the improper fraction. And we convert the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. How can we convert the mixed fraction? Now I will show the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Here, first example, 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3, we will convert into the mixed fraction. So divide by 3 into the 5. 3 1 3, Here remainder is 2. So we can write it 1 whole 2 upon 3. 1 whole 2 upon 3, it is the mixed fraction. It is the mixed fraction. So it is clear all of you? Now we know about the proper fraction, improper fraction, and about the mixed fraction. Now I will take exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3. Question number first. Write the fraction. Are all these fractions equivalent? First का A part. Write the fractions. Write the fractions are all these fractions equivalent. Now A part is yes. Here we observe that in the given figure one part is color. One part is color. There are two parts in the given figure. There are two parts in the given figure and one part is color. So fraction is 1 upon 2. Fraction is 1 upon 2. Now second figure, in the second figure, here there are 4 parts in which two parts are color. In which two parts are color. So fraction is 2 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 2. Equal to 1 upon 2. Now in the third figure, here 1, 2 and 3 parts are color. Here 3 parts are color. There are 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 parts in which 3 parts are color. So fraction is 3 upon 6. 3 to the 3, 3 to the 6, 1 upon 2. It is clear? Now another part is yes, here this part is color, this part is also color, and this part is also color. So there are 8 parts. There are 8 parts in which 4 parts are color. In which 4 parts are color. So fraction is 4 upon 8. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 1 upon 2. So are these fractions equivalent? Yes. Yes. All fractions are equivalent. Yes. All fractions are equivalent. It is clear all of you? So question number first is complete.